Good morning. Morning. So today I want to do a quick little video on walk around the actual hotel, coming in from the main reception, and the entrance is just over here. Got some chill out areas just as you come in on the left, and then as you come past the reception, straight on the left here, Turkish bath spas advertised, and you've got a little tiny, like a little mini mart, which has also got like a little tiny hairdressers and barbers in there as well for your local convenience. It can be a little bit expensive in there, so just mind out. Again, on the left here, you got another. This is the snack buffet area, which opens up at around about 11. Here's your menu here. What you can actually pick up. It opens at 12:30 till 4. Okay. There all is it. There you go. And if you head past the snack bar, keep going straight. You've then got this area here, which is the kids club area, which they do activities for the littlies. Little tiny playground and a little tiny hut there for doing activities during the day. There's a few rules and regulations there just to abide by and what have you. Open between 10 till 12:30 and 2:30 till 5. So heading back towards the snack bar area, you then head to your main pool, which is just down here. Time's about 6:45 in the morning, so very early. Morning, mate.
Hi, you alright?
Yeah, how you doing?
Not bad.
Good man. Looks like I've got a bit of clearing up to do from last night's party, but the cleaners will be on that first thing. Heading this way, this is where your main bar is, your pool bar. You can get free water out of this fridge just in front of me here. Just come along, help yourself to a bottle of water, no problem at all. That's day and night. And then you've got your main bar here, where if you're all inclusive, you get your free cocktails and local produced beer. Anything else you have to pay for, which is separate. And here's the entertainers little bar where all the entertainers are, and there's plenty of ample seating. They're sitting around during the day or the evening around by the main pool bar. Coming round, got your little tiny kids splash pool. It's quite nice. And then this is your main bar just here. Morning, mate. Here's your main bar, your main pool. And then up in this area up here, this is your amphitheater. This is where they do the entertainment of an evening as well. I want to do this one early because it saves all the music being played. So this is where your entertainment is of an evening. Enough seating there for about 50 to 70 people. And it's got this main stage area here, so all your break dancing, belly dancing, that goes on up here. Staying up the top, you've got another bar area and entertainments area up on the terrace. So you can have drinks up here as well. There used to be a pool table. Yeah, pool table over in the far corner. So there's pool, another bar up here as well, and again free water if you need it out the fridge, which is quite good. And then in the back room, you've got your fitness centre just behind the terrace. Be careful that no one's actually working out, don't want to expose them. Morning, mate. Table tennis in this area. Now, I've got a gentleman working out in the gym already, don't want to. Quick little gym there for you as well. Gentleman working out. Sorry, buddy. Gentleman working out. I won't disturb him. He's doing his thing. And then whoever DJ during the day does his music just there. So there is music during the day, which can be a little bit loud at times, but you know, it's what it is. I'm on holiday. It doesn't bother me, but Some people have complained. But there's your view of the pool from the terrace. Overlooks a whole lot. And just down below is the main restaurant, which we'll go around and have a quick little look in a minute. More relaxed seating area at the back here on the terrace. And if you wanted to come up here and you have any additional needs with regards to mobility, then that won't be a problem. You can also use the lift here as well. So it's got its own little lift as well, so you can get up here. It's all accessible, so it's good. So that's that part of the hotel. Let's not fall down the old stairs as we're coming down. So walk back down the old steps. And we've got a mobility hoist here. If you need to get into the pool, you've got mobility needs, which is good to see. And also you've got some outside showers just here, which you use just to spray your feet off and what have you. And then up in here, these are the new toilets. So this is just coming round from where, here's the amphitheater. So just to the right of that, you've got these toilets, both male and female, all been redone. And these toilets, all been redone, looking nice and clean. With automatic lighting, so don't worry if you're having a wee and the lights go off, just move. We've got sensors on here. Touchscreen mirror, both male and female. And then more in here as well. So all looking nice now. So that's good. And then back out to the main pool area. And this is where you get your lift entrance to go up to the main terrace, which is just behind the main pool there, you see. I've got a quick little diagram of the actual hotel layout itself, okay. These give you all your different blocks, your receptions, all that sort of stuff. It's all down by the pool, and it tells you exactly where's where. So there's 3 types of pools. You've got the splash pool, you've got the main pool, and you've got the adult pool, which I'll go and show you in a minute, okay? And everything is gathered around your reception and your restaurant, and this is where we are here. We're up on the terrace just here now, okay? What's number 24? That's just behind it. What's 24? 24 is a kitchen, there you go. Right. So walking back round from the main pool, you've got your reception. Morning! You've got your restaurant up here, which is not quite open yet, I don't think. Oh, 1 minute ago it is open. So here's the restaurant. The staff are eating their breakfast, so I don't want to interrupt them. This is your breakfast, lunch and dinner here. All your cooked foods, where your kitchen staff make all your meals. All your hot food's been prepared, all your eggs, your bacon, all your main meals, okay? And it changes every single day. Now there is undercover eating as well as outside as well. There's a smoking and non-smoking area. All this side over here is non-smoking. All this side over here is the smoking area itself. Okay. Moving around to the underside again, there's bottles of water you can grab here. Now the hotel staff actually do give you water as you sit down and eat and drink, but you can grab free water there as well. You've got a soup station and a bread station just here. And this is breakfast, so you've got a choice of hams, cheeses, olives. This is the more traditional salads and Turkish side of it compared to your cooked food over the other side. There's all your salads, fully air conditioned in here. You've got your breads here as well, the famous hotel toaster, which is going to take you 25 minutes to do any type of toast that you want. That's standard in any country you go to. More salads just there. And then we'll head down to slightly sweeter toasts and cereals. There's the cereals with honeys, apricots, raisins, Nutella, yogurts, jams, honeys, and fruits. There you go, and that's all inside, all air conditioned. There you go, and you've got hot milk here as well if you want hot milk as well. Okay. So that's the inside, it's all air conditioned. That's lovely. And then more water over this side of the restaurant. Again, you help yourself. And then you've got your squashes, which is served all day round within restaurant times. Orange, pineapple, sour cherry, apple and water. Got 2 of those machines. You've got your hot water, which is more for your Turkish chai tea. And then you've got your espresso machines, which do a coffee, a hot milk, milk coffee, espresso, cappuccino, latte, and just hot water. And again, you've got another hot water for your chai tea, all your tea bags and coffees. It's all there. Now they do themed nights on the restaurants. Okay, we do themed nights. Let's have a quick look here to give opening times. There you go. So 7 till 10:30. So it's breakfast time now. 7 till 10:30. They do a 10 till 11 for late breakfast people. Lunch is 12:30 till 2:30, and then dinner is 7 till 9:30. Okay, and it's Latino foods tonight. Apparently, that's what we're doing. You just come down, help yourself, grab a table, and then staff will attend to some of your needs. If not, you get up and do it yourself. Let's have a quick look and see what they have actually got. I don't want to interrupt the staff because the staff are actually doing their business. So we've got breads in there. It's normally always marked up what it is you've actually got. Okay, there's little tiny signs here, just here, which tell you what you've actually got. Okay, hot potatoes, rice pudding, oats and milk, more of the same, and porridge there. They've got an omelette station just here where they make your omelettes to order with all your lovely ingredients. Just here, hard-boiled eggs, poached eggs. They do it here as well, and spicy potato. That's normally where the chips are held. More stuff there. Eggy breads, first thing in the morning. Fried eggs, sunny side up. What's in that one there? Toasted sandwich with cheese, waffles, and crepes in there. They also got their own bar here as well. So we'll serve you drinks, or the waiter will come and give you a drink in the evening. And there's another area here which is more for your a la carte stuff. There's an inside seating area here as well. Okay, just around the back, a bit more chilled out, a bit more cooled in here. Okay. So that's the restaurant area in a nutshell. And we'll then come down through the restaurant where there's more toilets located to the left, and you can actually access the reception through that way as well. So that's the main entrance we just come in. But there's more toilets in here, and these were done up quite a few years ago, and they're still good. No bare feet, it says in here. And then you can come through to the main reception. Now this is fully air conditioned in here, really, really nice. Okay, and there's another bar here, so it wants a bit of tidying up from the night before. There's another fridge there, there's a library, and there's a big, massive TV. Chill out areas. They also do give light buffets. You've got a late transfer coming in. We do a self-service pastries thing here, and if you've got a late checkout or an early check-in, they do supply you with sandwiches, bits and pieces like that. But the shops are open till late anyway, so it's not a problem. You can go down the town. And then moving down through the reception. Morning. You've got your main reception area here for checking in. All your information up on here as well. All your tour operators and what have it. It's all there. You've got a telephone that doesn't work anymore. Here's your main reception. More chill out areas. More cold drinks here if you need it. And then more information here. Book your tours up, that sort of stuff. Find your rep out. And then coming outside, we're back to the main start again. Here's your main entrance. It's a whole complete loop, and it's just the adult pool I want to show you. So you can get to the adult pool just down here on the left if you wanted to. Let's have a mooch down. Past the hair salon and spa. The spa's down in there. Past the hair salon. And then there's another little pool inside here. Indoor pool. There you go. It's in there. And then coming round. Up the slope. And then around this way here. And the reason why I do this early, this video, is because I don't want to interrupt people that are just getting up in the morning, just starting their day. Nothing worse than people shutting the camera in your mush. Okay. Heading around at the Oasis Pool and Bar here, which is adults only. Okay. 16 plus, you've got to be to get in here. This is the 16 plus club. Again, there's another bar here. And then you've got your adults only pool, which is for the people that want more of a quieter day, which is fine. If that's what you book for, that's what you get. And there's seating at the back here as well. It's just a much more tranquil sort of quiet area. So that is the quick tour of the Sundia Suncity by Liberty tour for you, video for you. It doesn't take no more than 15 minutes to walk around it. It's not the biggest of hotel complexes, definitely not, and that's one reason why we like it. But it is surrounded by these lovely gardens, which are well maintained, well tended to, beautiful pink flowers, and what have you. This is where our old room was. That's our old room down. There's a lovely room down there, down in those slopes, down the Oasis Pool Bar, where the sign is there. That's a lovely room. One note to make, I think, when you book with your tour with a travel agent, if you request a quiet room, try and push for that, because the nighttime entertainment can be a bit loud, I'm not going to lie. And maybe that might be the last thing you want when you've just finished your entertainment for a night and you want to go to bed. Others are still partying, right? And there has been some complaints, but I don't quite get that. I don't quite get that. If you're making the noise, you're making the noise. But try and get a quiet room if you can. It can be beneficial to you. Also, one other thing here, they do your sauna. This is where you book this. This is run by the main pool. Just here. And they do photographs and what have you here. And you can book your spa up, and then we've got all the activities, entertainment notice board there. So it tells you what's going on throughout the day. And then just over the other side, you've got this mirror, which is just down by the pool, and this is where you get your towels. So the idea is you turn up here, there'll be a lovely lady, she'll sit here, she'll take your room number, you take how many towels you want, she'll sign you in, so to speak, and at the end of the day you then bring your towels back, she signs you back out, they count the towels, everyone's happy, good to go. So there's actually no need for you to bring any towels with you. Don't need to. You can get them here. You can even take them down the beach if you wanted to. Do you know what I mean? As long as you sign them in and out, you can take them down the beach. So there you go. Right, so there's your walk around tour. Don't forget you can get your free courtesy bus down to the Blue Lagoon in the mornings and throughout the whole day. Book all your tours up. I recommend doing it out on the strip. It's beautiful here. It's a lovely place to be. It's a lovely place to spend your holiday. So I'll catch you guys next time. Micks Mowers very, very soon. I've got more videos within my playlist, which you'll find at the end of this video. Just tap the link and you'll see more videos. I hope you enjoy these videos of the Sundia by Suncity Liberty Hotel. There'll be more videos coming. If you want any videos done, then just let me know what you want me to do. I'll try and do it for you. And we'll go from there. I'm going to head back to the room and go have a cup of tea, wake the crew up, and then go and get some breakfast. So I'll catch you later on. Take it easy.